So Craig, a frustrating afternoon at Buckley, 3 goals conceded and out the Welsh Cup.
Yeah, you know, obviously we knew coming today it was going to be a battle, it was going to be a tough game and a big ask, and there was no pressure on us. I think, you know, we were definitely the underdogs coming into it. Buckley have had a great start, and they made it difficult for us here this afternoon in terms of the way they play. They're very direct, physical, play percentage football, and it works for them. You know, they play it into areas, they feed off Asa up top, and they get off the second balls, and they caused us problems. But I felt like we've conceded some poor goals today as a team, which, if you're going to do that at any level, you're not going to win games of football. You know, we come out second half, got ourselves back into the game, and I was hoping we'd build on that. Unfortunately, we haven't. We've, again, as I said, conceded poor goals to concede, and it's disappointing.
We can't just concede goals and then hope the strikers are scoring more goals and that goes in the other end. It's an impossible job for the forwards. But we did score a penalty, and but we had chances as well, right in front of goal for a couple of players.
Yeah, you know, first half, I mean, Dole's made the mistake there, and he's dropped the ball, and Asa was first to it. He was live to it, and we've got to react and cover the what ifs. I said, you know, because as I said, he's dropped the ball, but Asa's the first to react, and what were we thinking, you know? So that was disappointing, and I thought at that stage of the game there wasn't much in it between the two teams. And then Rhys Allen's had a great chance, a good ball from Gaz. I think he had more time than what he thought. And then obviously just before the half, Josh Banks has had a good chance as well. And as I said, it's pretty even first half, to be fair. And then second half, we've, as I said, come out, got ourselves back in the game, got the penalty, great running from Rhys Allen, and Julian's finished off well. And we wanted to build on that then, but as I said, as a team, we can't defend like that. You know, you can look at the one that's bounced with Josh at the end, and Ace has, you know, done well to break into the box and finish. But at the same time, we've got to look at it from where the ball come from the source. You know, it's come from 40-50 yards away, and as a team, we've got to defend from the front, not just at the back, and it's something we need to work on, and we've discussed in there now at the end of the game, because it was an opportunity missed at 1-1 for us to push on and hopefully get into the hat. But it is what it is. We're out now, and our focus turns directly to Nghwpan on Tuesday.
Yeah, did we score too early in the second half?
No, I don't think you can score. You know, it doesn't matter when you score a goal at the end of the day. You know, early or late, it's how you react from it. And I felt like we just possibly lost a little bit of our discipline, really. Probably got a bit carried away with ourselves when we scored, and there was a moment in the game that sort of we let run away from us after we got that goal.
Yeah, a couple of words from the referee for the manager and aside. Frustration everywhere. We're out the Welsh Cup. It's a big competition. You don't want to go out of it. But next week, we're in another competition, one probably we could win. We've got a good chance, and we're at Cefn Albion, but we've got Nghwpan in the midweek as well. Yeah,
the games have been coming thick and fast, and as I said, I've said it in previous interviews, you know, our bread and butter is the league this year, and we've got to focus on that. So all focus now goes to Tuesday. Congratulations to Buckley today. I hope they do well and get a good tie in the next round. But we go on and we concentrate on Nghwpan first and foremost. Cefn Albion is another test, and I'm sure it's going to be difficult for us at a big ask again going away next weekend. But as I said, focus now completely turns to 3 points on Tuesday night.
Diolch yn fawr, Craig.
Diolch yn fawr iawn ti.